Welcome back to Barneyjmusic. My name is Barney. I'm a classical composer and founder and director of Barneyjmusic. My wonderful subscribers and anyone who is new to the channel, I would like to announce that we are now offering new services here at Barneyjmusic. We have guided music appreciation tours. So imagine you go to Paris, the Louvre, and you get a tour of the museum. Well, here you can get a tour of a symphony or of a fugue. Details and description below. What you just heard is an excerpt from my first fugue for men's course, and if you want to know more about fugue, you can check out our What the Fugue series. Visage Odieux. Okay, so that is the theme, all right? Now listen to the next entrance of the theme. Okay, nothing controversial, but it's about to come. Now I'm going to play them both together, slower tempo, and just imagine a wonderful men's chorus singing along. We'll stop right there. You may not have noticed, but there was some deception. Yes, there was some deception. By the way, what you're hearing is my first fugue for men's course. It's called the Visage Odieux. It's from my opera oratorio Phèdre. I am currently looking for both professional as well as amateur men's choruses that would like to perform the world premiere. Information is in the description below. And for everyone else, I sincerely hope to see you at the live performance of the world premiere of the Visage Odieux, my first fugue for men's course. So when I play the opening theme, et ne lui montre point, okay, we recognize it now, et ne lui montre point, visage odieux, love it. Then I have the theme come in another voice, the tenor, so it's a little bit higher, okay, et ne lui montre point, et ne lui montre point, okay, and your perception, probably, if it's my job, is that it's basically the same theme, but just maybe shifted up. False. I did something immoral, one could say, but it was necessary. Listen very carefully. Et ne lui montre point. Okay. Versus the second time. Et ne lui montre point. There is a fundamental difference. Let me prove it to you. Et ne. If I was to fill the notes in there, and I think I actually have a video called Steps and Leaps from What the Fugue where I go over this in more detail, but if I fill the notes in there, there's 4 notes total. Et ne lui montre point. Versus the second time the melody comes in, et ne lui montre point. There are 5 notes total. And again, if this is too fast, I broke 2 videos in the What the Fugue series, Steps and Leaps, where it's super, super clear. But basically what I'm hoping you're hearing now is that these two are not exactly the same, but the ear believes them to be the same because it's my job. Feels like it's growing, like we're kind of progressing somewhere.